Hello everyone. Today I would like to describe you something regarding programming language. So in that case I would like to tell you what is programming language. First of all, forget about what is programming and all. Just we will proceed further with the language. So I would like to tell you what is language. So language is a communicator between two human beings. Okay, if we don't know any languages and we can't speak, in that case definitely we will also use a sign language. That one is also known as a language. Yeah, there are so many languages which is nowadays human beings are using, right? So as an example, yeah, I would like to tell you, this is me and this is you. Okay, we both know English language. English is also a language, right? So we both know how to communicate in English, how to read, write, everything we know about English, right? In that case only we will be able to communicate. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to communicate when I know English and you don't know. And so this is me and this is you. So both are human beings. I'm also a human being and you are also a human, right? In that case only we can communicate. Otherwise we can't communicate. We have to use sign language for the same. Yeah. So we both are human. So over here I can say a language language is a medium of communication between two human beings. Okay, medium of, so language is a medium of communication between two human beings. If we don't know any languages, in that case we will not be able to communicate, right? So language is a medium of communication. In that case only we can interact with other people and other person. Okay, yeah. So that one known as a language. What is language? So I have already described you what is language. Another thing is what is programming language. So programming language is nothing but it is a medium of communication between a human and machine. Yeah, it, like as I shared you, a language is a medium of communication between two human beings. Okay, and the programming language is nothing but a medium of communication between human and machine. So as I can say over here, so this is me. Okay, I am a human being over here, right? I am a human. Yeah. This is an example actually I am just giving to you so that the base will be clear for you. Yeah, and this is a machine. Yeah, this is a machine. If I wants to communicate with a machine, can I speak in English language? No, right? Machine wouldn't be able to understand my language. Yeah, because machine don't know English language. So definitely I need a communicator in between us, right? Yeah. So machine wouldn't be able to communicate anything which I am going to tell. Like as if I was to say 2 plus 3 and I was to get answer from machine, I will I be able to get directly from the machine? No, right? So definitely we need a communicator in between us. In that case only me and machine will be able to communicate, otherwise it will be difficult for us to communicate. Yeah, so over here I can say programming language. So directly I can't communicate with a machine, so in that case definitely I will keep a mediator over here. Yeah, somewhere I will keep a mediator over here. Yeah, so this is a software. Okay, using software I will be able to communicate with machine. Okay, using some specific software and everything I will be able to communicate with a machine, because without any software it will be difficult for me to directly communicate with a machine, because I know English, I know other languages also, but machine is unable to understand my language. And even if machine wants to discuss anything with me, I don't know its language. Okay, we both don't know each other languages, so in between there will be a language which a software will be there which is made using a programming language. Yeah, so over here programming languages will be worked to communicate with a machine. I need a software which is made using a programming language. Yeah, so for example, as I can say calculator. Okay, so if I was to say 3 plus 5, 8, right? So directly if I want to say this machine like as a what is 3 plus 5, will it able to understand it? No, right? So I am using software. Calculator is also one software, right? Calculator is also software. So I am using this software to communicate with a machine. If I want to get answer from a machine like as what is 3 plus 5, in that case machine will return me 8, because somewhere on backend something is written. I mean, to prepare this software it is written in any language like C, C++, Java, whichever language is used over here. Somewhere backend we programmer has prepared something. In that case only over here we can directly get answer from machine. Yeah, so you got another example I would like to tell you, like as yeah, over here I am going to write program. Okay, so as of now just forget about program you guys, because it's a initial level for you, so you wouldn't be able to understand everything. But after completion of few session you will also able to write a program over here. Okay, public, just a second. So I am writing program over here to communicate with the system. Okay, yeah. So I am going to run this program over here. Yeah, I got output over here as 8, right? See, you are able to see this, right? So a people who don't know programming language will directly use this software as a communicator. Yeah, if you wants to communicate with the system, if you wants to get any answer from the system, in that case directly, if you don't know programming language, in that case directly you will use a calculator to communicate with the system, right? But a program wouldn't do the same. They will write a program over here and get an answer. Yeah, like this, to prepare this software, somewhere such kind of program is written behind this software, right? In that case only you are getting this answer, because directly you can't get an answer from it. If something is written behind that, in that case only you are getting answer over here. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to get anything from this software. Now you got the concept of programming language, right? What is the programming language? Just forget this part over here, because I will describe you everything on later stage. So as of now, just ignore this one. I am just telling you a difference between language and programming language. In programming language, how we are using software and how programmers are using software. Okay, and on behind what is exactly written. Yeah, so that in future also you can also prepare such kind of software like as a calculator, and you can directly get answer for the same. Okay, you can also write such kind of programs on behind, and you can also prepare your own calculator. Yeah, that is also you can do. So as of now, just ignore everything, just mainly focus on programming language. So everything clear now, right? What is programming language? Yeah, so apart from that, I would like to tell you a definition over here. What is language? So language is it it is a medium of communication between two human beings. Okay, and what is programming language? It is a medium of communication between human and machine. Yeah, if we write something in using programming language, in that case only we will be able to communicate with the machine. Otherwise it's not feasible for us to communicate with a machine using English language or any other languages. Okay, yeah, so over here we need to use a programming language only. Yeah, and another thing, what is program? Set of instructions given to machine to achieve a task. Yeah, see, whenever we want something from someone, in that case definitely we have to give set of instructions to them, right? So over here, if I wants to communicate with the machine, in that case using program we have to give some set of instruction to a machine. Okay, in that case only I will be able to communicate, like as over here these are the set of instruction. This is the set of instruction, like as a 3 plus 5. So if I wants to ask what is 3 plus 5 to machine, I need to write in such kind of languages. This is a Java, you can write in any language like as a C++. This is the Java, so I have written in this in a Java language. Okay, So this is a set of instruction I am giving to a machine. In my language, I can say this like as a what in English I can what is 3 plus 5. Yeah, in English I can directly say what is 3 plus 5. But if I wants to communicate with a machine, in that case I have to write this. In that case only machine will be able to understand it and will be able to give me answer. Otherwise it will be difficult for a machine to answer me. Yeah, if I wants to communicate with a human, directly I will ask what is 3 plus 5. So whosoever is there definitely will tell me 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Yeah, human being can directly tell me this, but machine can't tell me the same. To give a machine such kind of instruction, I need to write something like this. In that case only machine will be able to answer me, otherwise it will be difficult for a machine to answer me. Now everything is clear, right? So these are the definition of what is language, what is programming language, and what is program. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.